This video will detail the installation of Fishbone Off-Road aluminum inner fenders for the 2007 to 2017 JK Wrangler. Step 1. Remove your front OEM inner fender liner. Step 2. Install your front inner fender support arms. Starting with the passenger side, install the nutsert tab on the back of the inner fender. Make sure the support arm is facing the rear of the Jeep as shown here. Now on the driver's side, install the nutsert tab on the back of the inner fender. Make sure the support arm is facing the front of the Jeep as shown here. Do not tighten at this time. Step 3. Install your front inner fenders. Place the inner fenders inside the fender well. Using the supplied hardware, secure the inner fender to the Jeep using the OEM fastener locations. Install all screws loosely to allow adjustments. It may take some slight pressure to get these to line up with the OE holes. On the forwardmost holes, you will need to drill a 1/4-inch hole using the inner fender as your template. Install a screw, washer, and tighten the nut. Work from the front of the vehicle to the rear, tightening bolts with an M3 hex wrench. When the rearmost screw is tightened, it will turn the inner fender support arm, locking it into place. Step 4. Remove your OEM inner fender liner. Step 5. Install your rear inner fenders. Flex and manipulate your new inner fender to work it into the fender well and around your tire. Work the inner fender until you've snapped it into place around all the Jeep fender edges and frame. Pre-drill 5 holes using a 5/32 drill bit. Push the inner fender up as far as you can before drilling holes. Use caution when drilling to not hit the fuel lines or harnesses. Using the supplied screws, secure the rear inner fenders in place. Once the inner fenders are secure, you're done. Enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road inner fenders.
Fishbone Off-Road.